Alright, what is up everybody? This is the first wheelie that I have pulled in a very long time. It has been like a month or two since I have even ridden, and the last time that I ridden it was another case just like this where it's been a while since I've ridden. So it's now December and a lot of things have changed. My upload schedule has changed. My tires have a lot less air in them than they did whenever I parked it, especially the front. I'm pretty chilly out here, and it's been so long since I've even talked on a video like this. The channel's got a very important milestone that we're coming up on, which is 10,000 subscribers. Holy shit, that's insane. But there's quite a few points that I just want to touch on, let you guys know, and kind of like the future of everything, as well as one of my biggest issues that I've had this year in 2022, which kind of resulted in me not posting as much. Right off the rip, we're just gonna get straight into it. We're gonna start there with me not posting as much. I really slacked a lot on posting here lately. A lot of the truth behind that is, one, I've just been really unmotivated. Two, I've been working a lot of overtime. Three, the time off that I do have, it's nighttime. I work nights. After I get off work, I stay up till daylight. It leaves me no time to go ride, get some footage. I do have a lot of footage that I've been kind of saving back for winter because I knew this would be the case. We've had some really good rides here in town, as well as some extra footage. Today, I don't have my 360 camera with me, but that's also something that I've been really working with, trying to improve what you guys like about it and keep implementing that into my videos. I really like the infusion of having my phone footage, having my 360 footage, and having my GoPro footage. There are not any moto vloggers out there that are putting in that kind of effort anymore, and that's really what motivates me to keep growing my channel. I know a lot of you are like me. You grew up on the old school moto vlog stuff, and I still really enjoy that stuff. This last month that I haven't really posted anything, your boy been kicking back, taking some notes. Actually sitting down taking some notes on just a big variety of different YouTube channels, seeing what's working for them, seeing what the comments are saying. Mr. Whistling Diesel is a big inspiration to that. Yeah, going into the new year, I know not posting for a month really kind of kills my algorithm for YouTube. I don't really care about that. I'm doing this shit because I enjoy it. When I'm not happy, I'm not posting, because that really reflects in the quality of the video. Keeping myself happy, keeping myself with a variety of footage is a key to that. And I really like to take pride in that. But I've been working on this little formula to upgrade my videos for next year. Boys in town are refreshing their bikes. I need to refresh mine as well. The KTM's taking a little bit of a beating. The video that you've seen before this, I was in Colorado where the YZ lets me down pretty bad. And here recently, the last time that I rode actually, cruising the roads, gravel. Cruising the roads, as the thing is street legal. I was in like a 40-mile-an-hour zone where the YZ decided to finally give up on me. Can we just have a moment of silence for that, please? Thank you. And if you guys have been following this channel from the beginning, the YZ is kind of an early staple, but KTM's what helped build traction. I used to beat the hell out of that thing. Go ahead and roll some clips of the YZ getting torture tested. My 2005 YZ250 two-stroke. I love it. It's exactly how I bought it. So yeah, this thing has been flipped, ripped, and whipped shitties. It's been absolutely an insane bike. It's kind of my forever bike, so I was enjoying it how I got it. Now that it blew up, it's time to do a top end on it. I think that's all it needs. I'm not going to worry about doing bottom end. I just want to get that thing ready for next year, because I've got so much on my plate. I just about had a whole lot more by wrecking. But I'm trying to buy a house right now. That's kind of top of the priority list. Working on getting the Corky compound, see what we can do. Like I said earlier, working on this special little formula I haven't seen any other moto vloggers do. amount of quality and love that goes into a video, and boy, are you guys gonna love it. But I'm not gonna tell my secrets. No, no, no. Too cool. Yeah, the KTM has no front brakes right now. I've been dealing with that for a while. That's something else that I need to get taken care of. Right now the videos got put on back burner. That's where I've been at with that. I want to carry out this momentum once we hit the 10,000 subscribers and I start posting again. 10,000's really woke me up and is like, damn, people really like this. Like, I know the How to Wheelie video is really popular. I want to start doing some infusions, creating some new content with that, as well as answering some of your guys' questions with that, because I know there's a lot of them. They noticed me. Alright, so I split off from the bikes. I'm trying to keep my train of thought here, so I went my own way. The YZ blew up. Just the top end, I'm pretty sure. I haven't torn into it yet, but I'm gonna be tearing into that soon, hopefully. Need to get that thing back going. This is like enduro season and it decides to blow up. Basically, is what had happened was I was riding it on the roads. It's like a 40-mile-an-hour zone. Really hard to start that day, and I finally roll started it, running like for a while until it finally came out of it, and I was okay, came out of it, cool. Kept riding it. Noticed it was smoking a lot. It's kind of weird, but I thought maybe I just dumped twice the amount of oil into my gas as I needed to, which maybe I did, I don't know. Cruising along, something like this, it started chugging out. It was high idling and it just sputtered out, just and that was all she wrote. The kicker is locked up. I can fully stand on the kicker, but it still clicks through the gears, so I'm hoping that the bottom end is completely okay. And there's still gonna be some footage. I don't know what I got a day or two of riding the YZ previously. Oh my god, so slick. I need to go through and see what all I got. I've lost a bunch of footage. I've got a bunch of footage in my hard drive. Also got some graphics that I'm going to be putting on the YZ, so whenever I get it rebuilt, you guys are going to see the YZ with some fresh graphics that are going to look nice. Need to get graphics for this thing, but we'll get there. I don't know if possibly having so much gas dumped into the carb of the YZ and then having it run lean. I was kind of back and forth trying to figure out the tuning again since I got a new metering rod for the Electron. If you guys seen my previous video, this one should be dropping shortly after this previous one. But yeah, the one where the YZ lets me down in Colorado, I was having issues with my Electron. I don't know if that had anything to do with it blowing up finally. It was due for blowing up anyway. Over 2 years without a top end, and as hard as I've rode that thing, I wanted to say a big thank you to Mr. B-Rad Moto. I messaged Electron about the metering rod being stripped whenever I got it from the factory. I did not get a response from Electron except for like a week later after I emailed them. They finally responded. I responded back to them after I never heard anything back from them. I messaged B-Rad. B-Rad responded within 12 hours, I want to say. He had me just send him a video, and then he had the parts on the way to me, and there is nothing more amazing than that. And that's why I'll support that guy. I really appreciate it, B-Rad. Hope to ride with you one day again, my guy. So yeah, I pretty much wanted to tell you that the YZ blew up, what's coming next, and where the future of the channel is going. I want to take some of the boys' bikes on test rides. Dr. Andy Stunts, I want to try out that RMX 450. I've ridden it before, but I want to get a full video, some cinematic stuff with it, and I'll throw in my KTM while I do that. I know he's refreshing his bike, so that'll be coming sometime next year. I can't believe it's the end of the year already, man. That's crazy. But I need to get a new helmet. This one is not wind sealed anymore, so my mic audio is not the best. Speaking of my mic audio, I need to update my GoPro. I'm still old school with the mic adapter on a Hero 7. That's been the most reliable, but the reliability's kind of given up on me a little bit because this thing's been freezing up a lot. But yeah, maybe it's time to finally update my GoPro. I don't know, your boy's trying. Really passionate about this stuff. I'm inspired by a lot of people. I hope to inspire people because that's ultimately what I want to do. Yeah, I'm gonna start wrapping this thing up. I think I pretty much touched on everything that I want to hit. Be looking out for some more videos. Let me know what you guys want to see. Pay attention to what's going to be happening in the future because I'm really trying to evolve my channel and be the best that I can be. I'm really passionate about this stuff and I want that to reflect in my videos. I'm not just posting something just to be posting it. Not out for a money grab. Everything that I make off of my videos gets invested right back into what I'm doing, and I can show you where every dollar I've ever made goes back. If that ain't the ultimate flex, then I don't know what is. And then until next time, peace.